everybody, welcome back to another reaction video. If you're eventually watching this on YouTube, I encourage you to join our Patreon community where you also get to be a part of choosing the exclusive films and shows that I watch for you. You will also get access to all of my reactions and early access to my reactions and Discord access where we have movie nights every month and then if you guys ever just want to come chat about anything or everything, I also stream on Twitch. All those links will be down below. Today we're going to be continuing Game of Thrones Season 3, Episode 9. Episode 9. And yeah, that's what we're doing today. Also, our next Patreon picked film is called Troy. We just got done with Blood Diamond. Yeah, and then the next one I believe is called Troy, and then we're headed over to our next MCU movie, which is Guardians of the Galaxy. And yeah, besides that, we're just gonna jump into episode 9, and I will talk to you guys in the intro. See you guys in 2 seconds. All right, little recap. I'm assuming we're gonna get a little update on Bran. We did not have any Bran updates in the last episode, as well as Jon Snow, which I completely forgot that the whole thing that he was talking about with Ygritte, about them attacking the wall because they will all die. And I think I did talk about this second to last episode that I watched, and I'm hoping that there is some kind of, in the midst of attacking the wall, right? I'm hoping that Jon will do something, or something will happen where, I don't want to say that they betray the Wildlings, but that they'll be able to kind of get out of it, just because of the fact that Jon Snow says that they will die if they attack the wall. So I feel like maybe some like last minute thing will happen, just like how the war happened and Tyrion's father basically salvaged it, or won, basically. So I'm hoping something of that sort happens, just because I don't want to see Jon Snow and Ygritte. I don't want something to happen to them, you know? So hopefully. And then we have Daenerys. Yeah, I'm hoping that we get a little update on her. Her army has her army has grown. I don't know, I'm so sorry. And then Arya is finally gonna be, well, hopefully be back with her mother and brother at least, so I'm hoping that they'll be able to get there. And then I just want to see what the hell happens with Sansa and Joffrey.
If we take Tywin's castle from him, the lords of Westeros will realize he's not invincible. Take his home, take his gold, take his power.
Why are you telling me?
You begged me not to send Theon to negotiate with his father, and I ignored your advice. Now Winterfell is burnt to the ground. The north is overrun with Ironborn, and Bran and Rickon are gone. So, Castemere, I'm asking your advice.
Dang, that was a good look. That was crazy. You can tell that she was
If Walder Frey
slightly,
cooperates,
basically happy that Vlad,
Walder Frey cooperates.
that he wants advice from her. Especially with everything that, you know, they've been going through.
Before we take the castle, we'll be caught between Tywin's army.
we'll lose the war and die the way Father died.
Show them how it feels to lose what they love.
My honored guests, be welcome within my walls and at my table. I extend to you my hospitality and protection in the light of the Seven.
We thank you for your hospitality, my lord.
So they will all die, according to the last episode.
And to beg your forgiveness.
Don't beg my forgiveness, Your Grace. It wasn't me who spurned, it was my girls. There she is. Come closer. Let me have a look at you. Prettier than this lot, that's for sure. Oh, you try to hide her under that dress. If you wanted to hide her, you shouldn't have brought her here in the first place. I can always see what's going on beneath a dress. Been at this a long time. I bet when you take that dress off, everything stays right where it is. Doesn't drop an inch. I say he betrayed me for firm tits and a tight fit. And I can respect that. Well, let's get ready. The wine will flow red, and we'll put this mess behind us.
Yeah, that's hard, man. I think I just have like a trust thing with like half of it, more than half of the characters in the show.
It's a back gate. My men use it when they visit Yunkai's bed slaves.
Your men, but not you.
I have no interest in slaves. A man cannot make love to property. This is where we enter this.
He's jealous.
We're not gonna sneak an army through a back gate.
I kill the guards. I take your 2 best men and lead them through the back streets, which I know well, and open the front gates.
Or perhaps you lead Grey Worm and me to the slaughter, cutting the head off our army.
You have a very suspicious mind. In my experience, only dishonest people think this way.
Ooh.
You command the Unsullied. What do you think?
Damn.
Logenton mire nomás me isa, iderena kopsa verdagon isa.
Odaban, squadras, tres ikido.
You leave tonight.
Very good. We'll prepare.
It's got a secret sally port, the Black Gate, as old as the wall itself. No one's used it in centuries, most likely. Right down into the Night Fort, if one knows how to find it, which just so happens, I do.
How do you know all that?
I read about it in a very old book.
I'm not very fond of her,
You
dude.
know
Like,
all that from staring at marks on paper.
Yes.
You're like a wizard. No wildling ever looked upon the wall and lived. Here we are, alive.
let's see how that goes.
Roads have gone right to hell, haven't they? Cracked 3 spokes this morning.
Need a hand.
Need about 8 hands. Got to get this salt pork to the twins in time for the wedding.
Many thanks.
Don't! Don't kill him!
Dead rats don't squeak.
You're so dangerous, aren't you? Saying scary things to little girls. Killing little boys and old people. A real hard man you are.
More than anyone you know.
You're wrong. I know a killer. A real killer.
That's so.
You'd be like a kitten to him. He'd kill you with his little finger.
That him?
No?
Good. You're very kind. Someday it'll get you killed.
Smart. I think a lot of people underestimate her.
The gifts, I think.
Bran!
And the builder gave all this land south of the wall to the Night's Watch for their sustenance and support.
There's a storm coming.
I don't see any.
As good a place to shelter as any.
Only one old man and 8 good horses. What's one old man doing with 8 horses?
He breeds them for the watch.
How does he keep folks from stealing them?
The watch protects him. Not today, they don't. The watch might send a few men looking for a horse thief. They'll send a lot more to hunt down murderers.
I hope so. Killing crows in their castle is tough.
Moving!
Egret!
He knew how to. He knew. Oh man, that whole situation makes me a little. Everything is just stressed me out.
I know they're still there.
You check every 5 minutes like you're afraid they're gonna move.
I'm not afraid.
Of course you are.
You're almost there. And you're afraid you won't make it. The closer you get, the worse the fear gets. No point in trying to hide behind that face. I know fear when I see it. Seen it a lot. Close as you've been to family since ill and pain snipped your daddy's neck.
Someday, I'm gonna put a sword through your eye and out the back of your skull.
Hold on!
It's just thunder, sweet giant.
Wildlings.
Oh.
Where's Shaggy Dog and Summer?
Hunting.
Hold on!
Quiet, Hodor.
Hold on!
Make him shut up if they hear us.
Hush, Hodor. No more Hodoring.
Hold on! Hold on! Hold
Hodor,
on!
calm down.
Hold on!
Oh, shh.
Hodor, calm down.
Hold on!
Hodor,
Hold
be
on!
quiet.
Hold on!
What did you do? Nothing. I don't know.
So they don't even know how he did that?
The horse dying.
I heard shouting up there.
Thunder.
I know the difference between shouting and thunder.
Maybe it's ghosts.
Hope they send like Jon Snow up there or something. Or something.
Make the crow kill him.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me, dude.
You're one of us now. Prove it.
It happens in my dreams.
You're a warg, Bran. It's in your blood.
I can't.
You just did with him. A wolf is nothing compared to that.
I see. Okay. I thought that was only. I thought it was only acceptable with animals. Unless. Yeah, unless Bran is the only one who can do it, because even his sister didn't know that he did.
Told you. He's still one of them.
Come on, boy. Come on.
He's a crow. He'll always be a crow. And here's his crow wife guarding him. He'll stab us in the back first chance he gets.
Kill him. Do you hear me? You're not gonna die for one of them!
Do it. They'll find us if you don't.
Shh. Wow, dude.
You were right the whole time.
Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so. Oh, I thought you would have gone blind.
When you hear a songbird's whistle, you come. I'm a great whistler.
What happened? Why did he leave? He just left her? Is that what I'm supposed to believe? Because I'm believing it. I don't. Oh no.
That one was quick. Fighting for them.
That's what you call a few guards.
You didn't choose. Is that why they're like not showing her? Gonna be like the most beautiful woman ever? Why do it like that?
Lord Edmure, I hope I'm not a disappointment to you.
At least he'll be happy. That's what he was striving for with the
A
looks.
delight to me, my lady. You may now cloak the bride and bring her under your protection. Father, smith, warrior, mother, maiden, crone, stranger, I am hers, and she is mine, from this day until the end of my days.
Is that safe?
They're long gone.
North of the wall, there are Wildlings who can control all sorts of animals. You got inside Hodor's mind.
They can't do that north of the wall.
No one can do that. Anyway. When I was looking through Summer's eyes, I saw Jon.
Where?
He was with the Wildling. They tried to kill him, but he got away.
He'll be heading back to Castle Black then. If this many Wildlings got
I already
through...
told you. I'm not going north of the wall.
Everything Jojen told me is true. You saw what I did to Hodor. Don't worry. I'm not asking you to come with me. It won't be safe for Rickon.
Me? I'm coming with you.
No. You and Osher and Shaggy Dog head for the last hearth. The Umbers are our bannermen. They'll protect you.
I'm coming with you. I'm your brother. I have to protect you.
Right now, I have to protect you. You're the heir to Winterfell. Will you know how to find the last hearth?
You Southerners build your big castles and you never move. You're easy to find.
We're not Southerns. And I don't want to leave you.
Come here, little soldier. You and me, we can have some adventures.
You don't have to do any of this.
Your family took me in and was good to me when they had no cause. The Umbers are great warriors. Even I heard about them growing up. They'll teach you how to swing a sword.
I know how to swing a sword.
It's kind of crazy to basically see them grow.
Keep this one safe. He means the world to me.
I hope they meet again.
We've been waiting a long time. Well, I don't know. You tell me. How long does it take to sack a city?
They did not believe until it was too late. Their slave soldiers threw down their spears and surrendered.
And Dariona Harris?
The city is yours, my queen.
He did good.
They're good, aren't they?
Not today because they cost enough.
Quite a crowd,
My mother's alone with Roose Bolton. I should rescue her.
Your mother is less in need of rescue than any woman I've ever met.
Be kind. She's finally starting to like you.
If she had her way, I would be back in Volantis playing my harp, and you would be sitting over there, eating blackberries out of Rosalind Frey's hand.
Perhaps I've made a terrible mistake. Striking your king is an act of treason.
No, don't. Don't insult them.
Your Grace! A sword needs a sheath. And the wedding needs a bedding. What does my sire say?
If you think the time is right, Lord Walder, by all means, let us bed them.
I have a bad feeling. I don't like it.
Once you set that monster free, there's no caging him again.
That is a very strange custom.
Well, now what?
It does seem strange from afar. Without the bedding ceremony, there's no real proof the Lord and Lady consummated their marriage.
No, but there are other ways of providing proof.
Boy or girl?
I know what we should name him.
Oh, do you? It seems to me the father should have some say in his son's naming.
Eddard. Don't you want to teach little Ned Stark how to ride horses?
I do.
I'm doing good.
Where are you going? Got salt pork for the feast.
Your feast is over.
Sound like it's over.
If I tell you it's over, it's over. Turn this cart around and get the hell out of here.
Got pig's feet too.
Are you soft in the head? Turn this cart around.
Your Grace. I feel I've been remiss in my duties. I've given you meat and wine and music, but I haven't shown you the hospitality you deserve. My king is married, and I owe my new queen a wedding gift.
I knew it. Oh no, dude. None of this felt right, bro. Oh. I mean, I felt like something bad was gonna happen. Just the moment he agreed and clapped his hands or whatever when Rob was talking to the other daughters, but...
Feast's over yet, is it?
Aye, it's over.
I forgot about Arya. Oh my god, no way, dude. I'm still in shock. I need a couple weeks. Oh, and I was so excited for her to be back with her.
It's too late.
Bro. She was right there.
The king in the north arises.
Lord Walder! Lord Walder, enough! Please. He is my son. My first son. We will take no vengeance.
You already swore me one oath right here in my castle. You swore by all the gods your son would marry my daughter!
Take me for a hostage. Get up. Get up and walk out. Please. Please.
And why would I let him do that?
On my honor as a Stark, let him go, or I will cut your wife's throat.
Isn't he dead already? Like, is...
I'll find another.
Mother. The Lannisters send their regards.
Oh my god. What the actual fuck did you guys want to do? I just need 1 second, bro. What the actual... Why did I watch this? Wasn't even what I was supposed to watch today. But I did. Oh my god. I had such a bad feeling the moment that he was just applying. When Rob gave his fucking thing. None of it felt right. Oh my god. What about Arya? What about what about everyone? You know what I'm saying? Oh my god, I don't know what to do. I don't even care the rest of this episode. What do you want me to talk about right now? You want me to talk about Daenerys and oh my god, and I can't believe you guys. I'm wondering if this, yes, this is the episode where I was like, oh, I'm still, whatever. Fudge. Okay, well. Well, now the whole thing has shifted. I don't even. I need a second. It's hard to like think about what exactly is going to happen now because word will spread, you know, things will happen, and the shifting of all the sides of wanting to be king, and the fact that, you know, all the murdering and all the different things that are at stake, and all of this shifts everything. Like every decision that someone makes and does is like absolutely brutal to the shifting of who's on whose side and who's against what and who's the enemy of whom. I'm just trying to pull myself together and talk about this entire episode. And it's very difficult to do so when when this has happened. Okay. I thank God I wrote some notes down while I was watching, because I would have no idea what I would talk about. First of all, I wrote down Bran. But I actually kind of got my answer after I forgot his name, but he was talking to him and telling him basically that nobody as a warg is able to control a human being. And that's what I got confused about, because I thought it was specifically two animals and seeing what they're seeing and controlling them. But he's able to do that with human beings, which is really interesting. I really wonder where that's gonna go, continuing the show. I also wrote down Jon Snow. Don't understand why he left. Don't have the answer to that. I can't really even distinguish why. Like, what reason would be, like, what would be the reason for him to leave her? Especially because the Wildling would kill her. He will kill her. Especially just because of the nature of the Wildlings, like how they are. I don't understand why he left. We got the update on Daenerys. I don't have anything to say about that currently. And then don't even get me started on Arya. I don't even know where and you know what's crazy is that she was even like, he told, like, the guy that's with her, he told her, like, it seems like the closer that you get, the more fear you have. And it's, oh my god, I just feel like Arya has been like just bouncing between things and literally struggling for just to live. Just to survive, I'm sorry. And now that she finally, literally, just so close to seeing her mom again, and Rob. So now what? And now all of that has occurred, so everything shifts. What is to happen? This is where I'm at right now. What is to happen with everything that's happened? I have nothing else to say for this episode. I'm just gonna go to the next episode, shall we? I want to watch episode 10. Okay. It has to be episode 10, right? Yep, there's an episode 10. Okay. I don't know when the season ends, so. Okay, but we finished episode 9. So. I honestly, I don't have much to say. I feel like the ending of that, it was just unexpected, okay? I don't trust anyone, and I don't trust the show. I don't know what's happening, but we're gonna go to episode 10, yeah? Okay. I'm gonna take this little bit of time that I have to gather myself, gather my thoughts, gather my feelings, gather my shock. And if you guys have any questions for me, you know, just comment it below and I'll read them. Make sure to hydrate, to rest, and to eat. Don't forget to eat. I'll see you guys for the next one, yeah? I'm so sorry.